So
2017.
2017. It's got the sectional couch. A lot of storage above.
It's American Coach, it's American Revolutions.
Another couch. Like the dining table. The only thing is the TV is in a weird spot. Fridge. Bath. I like the decorating in here. Bedroom. Very wide bedroom. Very spacious. A lot of storage. There's a TV. Washer and dryer is where I want it. Stackable. I think he looks like he's already at home. Well, he's getting up now.
At home up here.
So, I love the decorating in here. Feels like a home. I like the doors. It's going into the bathroom. Master bathroom. Let's take a shower. Bench. Cedar closet. Pretty big. The whole back of the coach is the closet. Storage.
Alright, where do we live? We live right here.
You close the bedroom door? So yeah, I like all the woodwork. It just feels like a house to me. But that's the one we couldn't figure out yesterday. Ceiling fan in the bedroom. That's a plus. That's the door. It seems like a memory foam mattress, and it looks like a king.
Yeah.
A lot of pillows for one bed. It's got the windows on either side of the bed for cross ventilation.
Jack? Yeah.
It's out.
You see Atlanta? That's very nice. Jack, slow down.
Can I go ahead and drive? Can I go ahead and drive, Dad? Can I take ahead and drive?
No, ma'am.
I'm not sure. That's for sure. Double sink. What do you think, Mikey? One thing I like is it's got a screen door on the exit door. So we got a spice rack in the kitchen.
It's not a dishwasher.
More storage. Yeah, it's all the dishwasher. And then this has a silverware tray.
It's good. No, mine had that soft slide.
do you think?
Because I'm savoring my
Nice.
water.
But
483,000.
I'm holding water.
I'll get
Yeah,
that
but
tomorrow.
we'll find
Well,
a
that's a shame.
used
I
one.
really like this one.
Now, if we find the floor plan.
Huh?